Well, hello children. Today I have very simple but quite an interesting topic for you to learn about. Well, it's called change. Now this word sounds really simple, isn't it? Well, first let us see few changes that happens around us continuously, and then we will try to categorize few of them. Now, when I say changes around us, I basically mean that day turning into night, seasons changing from summer to winter, crops changing in the field, ice melting and turning into water, plants growing to become trees, etc., etc. Now, as a matter of fact, you are changing as well. Now, can you think of few changes in your body that you see as time passes? Do you? Well, there are many changes that I can say, like your nails growing. Well, that's also a change. Like your hair growing, that is also a change. In fact, your height which grows, even though it is not visible on daily basis, that can also be called as a change. So I believe now you can understand that change is happening everywhere around us. Now, what we must learn here is, can these changes be grouped together? Well, yes, we can classify these changes between two categories. Now, that's reversible change and non-reversible change. Non-reversible change is also called as irreversible change. Now, for example, let's just take a balloon, blow air into it. Do you think the size and the shape of the balloon would change? Well, I believe yes. Now, let the air out of the balloon escape. What do you see? Has the balloon returned to its original shape and size? Well, yes, absolutely. So this type of change is called reversible change. Well, it basically means that we can get back the original material or object if the change is reversed back. Let us see few more examples of reversible change. Can you make a flying aeroplane using this sheet of paper? Well, yes. Now you can see that the size and shape of paper has changed. Well, now open up the paper aeroplane and make it a straight paper again, and you get the original sheet of paper back. So this change can also be categorized as reversible change. Now try to make a ball from dough. Can you put back the ball in the dough? Well, yes. So this again is a reversible change as well. Now I will show you some ways to do all these activities in such a way that these changes will not be reversible anymore. Take a blown up balloon and now prick it with some pointed tip. Well, air escaped the balloon again, but this time has the balloon returned to its original form? Well, no, it has burst now. So this sort of change is called irreversible change and cannot be back to its original form. So in this case, it is not possible to get the original material back. Now, let's look at another example. Take a sheet of paper and now, rather than folding the paper, cut out an aeroplane out of it. Well, now you have the same aeroplane again, but this time you cannot get your original sheet of paper back because you have cut it. Hence, this becomes an irreversible change now. Now, from the bowl of dough, make a chapati. Now, can you reverse back this chapati into dough again? No, right? So this becomes a non-reversible change. Let us now summarize what we have learned. Any change that we see around us can be categorized in two categories: reversible and non-reversible. The type of change where we can get back the original material if the process is reversed is called the reversible change. The type of change where we cannot get back the original material is called irreversible change. So by now, we have come to the end of this module, but we shall catch you soon with our next module.